Hey fam, what's up? It's Amanda and I am back with another video. So let's get to it. So today's video is going to be all about affordable room decor, because you all should know by now that affordable, saving money, getting cute things, not breaking the bank, that's my jam. And I think your space, your surroundings, your room, your dorm, wherever you spend most of your time should reflect you, even just a little bit. And here are some affordable tips and tricks to room decor. Let me tell you, I went on a hunt looking for cute, affordable, practical room decor. Oh, speaking of affordable and practical, I wanted to show you my sweater that I created. I absolutely love taking older, you've had it for a while and you kind of don't wear it anymore because you ain't really feeling it. I like to take those articles of clothing and kind of revamp them, give them a new little spice, and then it becomes a new staple piece in your wardrobe. So if you're interested in seeing some videos on how exactly I make these alterations to different types of clothes and things like that, please let me know, or you can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and I will know. So let's get back to this room decor, okay? So I went to Dollarama. I actually found quite a few things that are super cute that aren't really that expensive. So the first two that I seen that I thought were really cute, because usually every girl would like to have a little bit of sparkle. We're all princesses, you get the drift. So I seen these two little wall plaques, but the beauty thing about these is they don't have to be hung on the wall. They can also just stand freely on a shelf or a bookshelf or a desk or whatever your room needs. This bad boy can spice it up wherever you need it. So the first one says, "Today I am a mermaid, tomorrow I will be a unicorn." And it is glittered up like crazy. It's cute, it's pastel, adorable. And this one says mermaid wishes and unicorn dreams, and it is pastel purple, fade to a nice pastel blue, absolutely adorable. And these were only $2. Another wall hanger from Dollarama that I really liked is this one here. Now this can go with any room color, any theme, anything. And I think the hearts with the one red heart is absolutely adorable, and it is 3D. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up or not, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and this would look beautiful on just a plain wall with some fairy or twinkle lights around it, and bada boom, that's totally adorable. The last wall plaque slash standalone plaque is this mini one. It's black and white with gold accent and it says love. It's absolutely adorable. I love this. It's small enough to sit on a small shelf. It's small enough to sit on a nice windowsill. It's absolutely gorgeous, and this was $2 also, and it is a canvas kind of frame. The next major key in decor is organization and making it look cute. So the next decor tip is these little plastic caddies, which have all these different sized compartments in it, are perfect for organizing desk space or like a shelf. For an example, you can put your brush, maybe your pencil case for school, and some of your notebooks and journals can go neatly in there, and it looks super cute. It has print on both sides, and you can find these at Dollarama, Dollar Tree, Walmart. It all depends on how much you want to pay for it. I got this at Dollarama for $2. It's cute, pastel pink, adorable. The next organizing tip is cute little boxes. They can be gift boxes, what have you, just as long as it's sturdy. It has a separate lid, and it's cute because, let's be real, that's all that really matters. And I like to put chargers, cords, any hair clips or hair ties that are laying around, anything that could make a surface look messy and it's small enough. Stick it in there, close it. You can nicely set it down on top of books, magazines, on a shelf alone, and it just looks put together, cute, and organized. Another room decor item that goes with any room color, style, what have you, are these little fake succulent plants. You can get really cute ones with black ceramic with little rosebud, or you can get more greenery, shrubby looking like ones with white pots. And these look absolutely adorable, just randomly placed. You know, it gives a shelf a cute little vibe. I put these on shelves. You know, I got a little bare space, looks kind of empty and awkward. I'll just throw one of these guys on there, and it brings a little bit of life to the shelf, even though they're plastic plants, so you can't kill them. And these are at the dollar store. This one is $3, and this one was only $2, I imagine, because you see the size difference. So these are awesome. I love them. A really good room decorating tip isn't even really buying pictures and putting them on a wall. It's taking your pictures that you take with your friends, getting them developed or printing them out, and hanging them on the wall yourself in any kind of cute, adorable way. I found a fairy light string with little silver clothespins on it, and I hope you'll be able to see this. It lights up. It's absolutely adorable. So all of your new adventures, you can have all of them up on your wall, all lit up and adorable, so you can see them every single day. And these are at Dollarama for $4. Now, if you like things that light up as much as I do, you are gonna love these next two things. So the next room decor item is a light up cinema box. And yes, your girl found one at Dollarama for $4. Yep, that's it, $4. And this guy comes with 90 letters and symbols and all that fun stuff, so you can write whatever you want on the cinema box. I think it is absolutely adorable. The last Dollarama room decor item is any light up decor. Now, my favorite color is pink, and I already have a lot of white things, so when I seen this light up butterfly in the cinema style, I freaked. You put this on your desk, on your nightstand, on a shelf, your whole room starts to feel different and starts to have different vibes and starts to feel how you want it to look. And this is also $4 at Dollarama. Oh, and I did forget to mention, all three of these are all battery operated. So you don't have to worry about finding a plug or running extension cords and all that nasty stuff. So that's a plus. Well guys, that brings an end to my affordable room decor haul. I hope you got some inspiration for room decor. Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, a little secret, I've got all of my social medias linked in the down bar, okay? Super easy. So make sure you follow me there. And I just wanted to say really quickly that you all mean the world to me, and I love each and every one of you. The Fam Jam makes my heart sing. Mwah. Bye guys.